Hello YouTube, this is Andrew Trucker Motorcycle Towing. We do motorcycle transport, Queens, Brooklyn, Bronx, Manhattan, Staten Island, New Jersey, Connecticut, upstate New York, and Long Island, as well as other places in the eastern coast. New York City area, affordable motorcycle transport. If you need our services, we also do repairs in shop. Let us know what you need done. Flat fix, tune-up, clutch replacement, repairs on crashed motorcycles or bikes that fell over or that just don't run, won't start. Andrew Trucker bike repair. Right now it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm sitting in the truck